Happy Navratri from Art by Heart to you all. So guys, we have come up with the Navratri theme for our gift wrapping today on the auspicious occasion of Navratri. Okay, so this dupatta will be used for wrapping this box for Navratri season. So don't be amazed क्योंकि बहुत अच्छी डिजाइन होने वाली है. So this dupatta has been folded in half like this and it is placed nicely. And what we will make today is the pocket design in which you can put like any note, any kind of symbolic thing which you want to denote and represent it to the record. Okay, so we'll take the edge and we'll measure it. You all must have learned this trick by now from our videos. Thank you so much. And we'll stretch it. So we'll repeat the same from the opposite sides also, and we'll stretch it. So now what we'll do is we have to create a pocket. So we'll take this cloth, the one end, and we'll fold it till this much so that it overlaps the box and comes beneath the box. Okay, and we are folding it because the cloth is big enough, and if I do it like this, you all can see it is very long and it cannot go beyond this. So what I am doing is I am folding it a little bit and then putting it here and then stretching it tightly and keeping it beneath the box. And we'll do the same thing from the opposite side, but before that what we have to do is we'll take the other two sides and we have to seal this. Okay, sealing this will make a knot like this tightly. As you can see, I have put very much effort to stretch it, and then I'll seal it by putting these sides inside only. Now you can see this is sealed from here. It cannot come outside. The cloth cannot come outside. It's sealed. Now we'll take the edge which was left open earlier and we'll create a pocket. For creating a pocket, we need to fold it a little bit and then fold it inside the box. I'll show you from this side. I'm stretching it and folding it inside like this and pressing it towards the edge. It is creating a side of its own by the cloth. Pouch which we have created is ready. We can seal it by tying it, and then our card. I've chosen this card from Art by Heart because it is curated with love. So you can choose any of your belongings which you want the recipient to receive, and you can put it in this pocket. Very safely, it will be there in the pocket which we have created. Like this. You can put flowers also here for decor. Original flowers will give it a very enhanced look, and you can put any note also which can be bigger but not bigger than the size of the box. This is the tip of the day. Okay, so let's meet in our next video.